Kwingineko, washikadau katika sekta ya burudani wametoa wito kwa serikali kusitisha kafyu kwani imeathiri pakubwa biashara zao. Licha ya kuwa wamejiweka sawa kupambana na makali ya corona, wanasema athari kwa biashara zimekuwa nyingi sana. Afisa mkuu mtendaji wa Solo Grano huko Watamu anasema kutokana na kafyu wamelazimika kuandaa hafla nyingi nyakati za mchana. Kwa pamoja, wasanii wameandaa tamasha la Seven Island Festival ambalo litakuwa katika hoteli ya Seven Islands Jumamosi ya kwanza ya mwezi Machi. Kwa mujibu wa Miss Christiana Mariana, meneja wa Paparemo huko Watamu, tamasha hilo la Seven Islands limeandaliwa kuwaleta pamoja watalii.
Like una check pamoja hapo nini
We're here planning for the Seven Islands Festival, which is happening soon. The Seven Islands Festival was conceived in a bid to revive the local economy of Kilifi County, in particular Watamu and Malindi, because we found ourselves at a time where we had to adapt to the current situation that we've been put in and that has affected our current expertise. So the Seven Islands Festival is supposed to promote the local community as well as local artists in partnership with international acts at some point. And this is vital for us because we see it as an exchange of creation, arts all over Africa, and
how the entertainment industry's jobs were cut overnight. No artist or no company saw this coming, so it was from like 100 to 0. So it was a steep stop, but I think it's like just trying to revive ourselves locally and see what else we can do to get out there. Yeah.
You know, all of us, we need money, even if we are Wazungu, but we need money. The Kenyans, they think that we don't need money, but life is the same for all. So we need money. Our staff, they need money. So we are here, we are trying our best. We are trying to do something new with them. And we are young, we have to try.